today's video. I did not plan on sitting down and filming, and then I thought, you know what, why not? Why not? I was scrolling on Instagram, and y'all, I found a full variation of the May Boxycharm Base Box. So we're going to talk about all the items in there, get y'all's thoughts and opinions, all of that. But before we jump into the video, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Ron, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, chit-chat, talk about unboxings, makeup, play in makeup, review. We just do all the things over here. And we just have fun. We're friends. Good times. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so I'm super excited as far as May goes for Boxycharm because this is going to be Boxy pop-up month, and we're gonna go over the important dates that I think about it for Boxy pop-up, choice dates, all of that. But let's go ahead before we get into it and let's talk about the May base box. So a little information about what the Boxycharm base box is. This is a monthly subscription. It's $25 a month. You do get to customize one item in here, and I was scrolling over on Instagram and I came across, you guys know I always give little shout outs and I keep everything in the clip or the post or what have you. I came across Ipsy versus Boxy, and she posted a full box variation. We're going to talk about everything that is in this variation. Again, this box is $25. You do get to customize one of the items, and the item that we are seeing that was a choice for the base box, which the options for the base box choices were the Murad moisturizer, can't remember what it was called, but it was what I ended up picking, or you could have chosen the Tarte, and this was the Shape Tape Glow Wand. Now, this is not a concealer. It's kind of like a brightening for the under eye. A little information about this. It does have a retail value of $27. It did come in multiple choices, so you could choose which shade would work best for you. It's a sheer liquid brightener that lets your skin come through, and it delivers a natural lit from within youthful glow. It brightens your features without glitter or shimmer, and it has a diamond complex which delivers a soft focused finish, and it instantly gives you 8 hours of beauty sleep. And as I told you all when I was talking about choices, this is great if you don't get a lot of sleep because your husband, I mean, or maybe, you know, your children, but in my case it's my husband. He likes to snore occasionally. So I did feel like I had enough kind of brighteners right now in my collection. That's why I ended up going with the Murad. But in this particular variation, we are talking about this choice, which was the Tarte. The next item we are seeing in here, which I'm super excited to see this is by Drybar, which I love Drybar dry shampoo, but I only purchase it when I see it like during like the Ultra 21 Days of Beauty or Sephora style or something like that. But this is the Hot Toddy. This is a heat protectant mist, which in my opinion is very important to use a heat protector. So I do like that we are seeing this in the box. It does have a retail value of $27, and a little information about this. It says the Drybar Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist is a lightweight spray that protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees. This is something that I highly recommend no matter who you are. If you are putting any type of heat to your hair, you definitely want to use a heat protectant. And I love that they are having this in here. Fingers crossed this is available in pop-up, which I'll talk about later. Because again, if you can get Drybar or expensive products at a discounted price, you know I'm all about it. So that is the second item we are seeing in this variation. The next item we are seeing is by Cosmetics, K-A-B. We have seen their lip kits and their lip oil in past subscription boxes with Boxycharm, and I personally really like their lip kits. I think that their lip liners are wonderful, their lip glosses, perfection, and I actually really enjoyed their lip oils. Now this is their eyeshadow palette, and at first thought, I honestly, when I saw the sneak peek, I thought it was the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Is that right? I think. Just going off the color story, that's what it reminded me a lot of. Now this palette does have a retail value of $52. Now y'all know I absolutely love eyeshadows. Matter of fact, that is my weakness. I have no self-control when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. So I'm always excited to see eyeshadow palettes in our subscription. Now, a little information about this eyeshadow palette. Like I told you all, it does have a retail value of $52. It's cruelty-free, suitable for all skin types, hand-picked and formulated with safe ingredients. Now, this says it is the perfect eyeshadow palette that is formulated with 18 high pigmented shades to create looks from both daytime and nighttime, all in one palette. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime look and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more intense nighttime look. Now, for me, I'm excited to try out the formula. If anything, I think that, like it says, you could do a nice, simple, neutral daytime look, and then of course you can definitely deepen it up, get a sexy, sultry type of evening look for sure. But more than anything, I just want to try out the formula. I just want to try all of that out. It does look like, just looking at this palette, you have a good mix of mattes with shimmers in here. And it looks like the deepest shade, I'll pop up the palette, is that top corner named Cocoa. So I like that at least that's in there, so you can kind of give more of like depth and, would I say definition? I don't know, but I like to do like the outer V with darker colors. Don't go by what I have on today. This is just my lounge around the house. I was filming for my second channel. I did like a Shein shorts haul with a couple tops and then a Shein swimsuit haul over there. So I try and keep everything very neutral because it's not about this, it's about what we're trying on, you know? So definitely make sure to follow me over on my second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, if you are into curvy girl fashion hauls. I do a lot of those over there. And check me out over on Instagram. Hopefully by the time y'all see this, we've hit 10K, but if not, at hotmessmomma4. Love to have you. It's part of the family over there. Okay, anywho, that is the next item we are seeing in there, and it is called Day Plus Night Eyeshadow Palette. I believe it's just the name of the palette. So the next item we are seeing in this particular picture over here is by Tint Beauty, and I do believe this brand is new to Boxycharm. At least to me, I don't have anything from this brand. It does look like there is on their website 3 different eye shades available. I don't know if it's going to be a variation as far as the shades, or if it'll just be like, you know, all brown, all black, what have you. So a little information about this. It does have a retail value of $18. It's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, non-toxic, and gluten-free. And from what I could see on their website, it looks like there are 3 different shades, but again, I don't know how it's going to play out in the box. So the last item that we are seeing is by Lavish Brushes. Now, we have seen them in the past. I do believe, let's see, I have actually some of their stuff sitting right here in my brush collection. They were like a neon brush set that was in a subscription a while back. So this is a new collection. So a little information about this brush collection. It does look like it has a retail value of about $30. It is the Essential Eye Collection, which contains 5 handcrafted, vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks, which is going to be perfect with that eyeshadow palette. So that is the last item that we are seeing in this particular variation for the May Boxycharm Base box. Again, I got the information from Ipsy versus Boxy, so make sure to go over to Instagram, give her a follow. She is always up to date on all the Ipsy and Boxycharm little sneak peek spoilers over there. Now, as far as the important date that I wanted to talk to you all about for Boxycharm. So the important date that is coming up for May is May 17th. It is a Monday at noon Eastern time. Set your calendars, mark your calendars, set your alarms, whatever it may be. I'm flubbering over my words because my husband is texting me. But that is the time where we're going to go ahead and get in there, make our choices for the base box as well as the premium box. After you made your choices, you get to shop the pop-up. Now, Boxy pop-up is much bigger than add-on. Okay, sorry. If you follow me on my vlog channel, actually those videos might not be up yet. My husband has been making more ruckus today than when I have all the kids in the house. Cutting the grass. You know what? I'm not gonna complain. I'm thankful, I am blessed, and I love him. But that man be making all kinds of noise. All kinds of noise. He just placed the delivery order. Anyways, I digress. Okay, so back to the important date, May 17th. The reason I get so excited, I mean, my bank account, not so much. not so much. But when Boxy pop-up rolls around, this is when we see like up to 80% off of so much stuff, like so many things. And it's an array of stuff. It's everywhere from hair care, makeup, skincare, lifestyle, like everything is there. So I get really excited about it because you get to save so much money, to the point that I start shopping for Christmas. You just can't beat the deals, you know what I mean? So anyways, May 17th, very important, 12 o'clock Eastern time is when everything's gonna open up. You're gonna make your choices, you're gonna get to shop, and they leave it open for multiple days. And I'm like, y'all are killing me, can you please stop? Anyways, let me know your thoughts on this particular variation. I'm excited to see some variations with the Murad choice in there, because that's what I ended up picking for my Boxycharm paid for base box. So I'm excited to see. I would love to see the Dry Bar Hot Toddy. I'd love to see that in there. I'd love to see the Cap Cosmetics palette in my paid for box. Out of these things, those would be the top 2 items that I would really love to see in my particular variation. What are y'all's thoughts? What did you end up picking for your choice for May? If you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will have a link down below for y'all. It's not an affiliate link. I do not earn a commission if you sign up. It's just a way that you can just click and go over there. Typically there's going to be coupons available if you sign up and you're new to Boxycharm. If you are new to Boxycharm and you want to sign up, as of today when I am filming this, which it is Saturday, hopefully I can get this up to y'all by Tuesday, but there are 2 items that you can choose from to get for free on top of already signing up, and it is Queen Bee. If you use the code Queen Bee, you will receive the HAILEY'S eyeshadow palette, or if you use the code Best Buds, and I'll have everything linked below for y'all, you will get to pick the Breakfast in Bed palette by Beauty Bakery, which I have both of these palettes, and if you're like me and you're more of a neutral lover, I would definitely go with the Beauty Bakery palette. Great palette, beautiful neutrals, it's pretty. You will also receive a $10 credit for the May pop-up. Makes me want to go make another account up. Do I have a problem? Absolutely, but it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Okay, I'm hopping off for now. My husband got Chick-fil-A and my house smells flippin' amazing right now, and now all I can think about is Chick-fil-A. All right, I'm hopping off. Until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.